Hello everyone, I am Gisiri Christian Honori, based HM3ED, and my speech title is Beyond the Plate, Why Sustainable Practices Are the Future of Dining. Have you ever stayed up late after a shift, looking at the sheer volume of trash piled up outside our restaurant? It is a staggering sight. As a student and future professionals in hospitality management, we are often taught that art of service. But today, I want to talk to you about the soul of service. We are entering an industry that is a major contributor to global greenhouse permissions. Because of this, we must recognize that the industry is shifting. It is no longer just about the flavor of the food. It is about the footprint we leave behind in our communities. I am here today to persuade you that food and beverage businesses must adopt sustainable and inclusive practices. This is not just a good thing to do, it is a necessity for protecting the environment, meeting our legal obligations under local ordinances, and building loyalty required to stay in business. First, let's talk about our environment. Every kitchen is a factory of potential waste. However, sustainability is actually a secret weapon for profitability. When we talk about a zero waste kitchen, we are talking about using every part of our ingredients. In my own observations of local food businesses, those that compose and eliminate single-use plastic don't just help the planet, they lower their overhead costs. Every straw we don't buy is money saved. Every vegetable scrap we turn into stock is a reduction in our food costs. Second, we have a responsibility to our local laws. In cities like Danao, local tourism ordinances are becoming stricter regarding environmental protection. We can view this law as a burden or we can view them as a roadmap. But by proactively adopting eco-friendly packaging and ensuring our facilities are inclusive and accessible to everyone, we are not just avoiding fines, we are proving to our neighbors that we are a partner in the community growth. Finally, let's talk about the people we serve. We are living in the age of the conscious consumer. Gen Z dinners, like many of us here today, are looking for more than a menu. They are looking for a mission. They want to know that the restaurant they support treats the earth with respect and treats all people with dignity. In an inclusive restaurant, one that's physically accessible and welcoming to all builds a brand that people trust. And in this industry, trust is the only currency that never devalues. In conclusion, we have seen that sustainability reduces our waste, keep us in good standing with the law, and wins the hearts of our guests. It is the essential foundation for any business in 2026. The future of hospitality is not just served on a plate, it's built on the choices we make for our planet and our people. Time is limited, use it wisely. How will you lead your kitchen starting now? And that's all. Thank you.